Okay, guys, let's do this. Come on, let's do this shit. Welcome back to the stream. We are back in London session, and I hope everybody's fine. Everybody's doing great. We are back to back. This is the 6th week of live streaming in London session. I hope everybody is doing fine and everybody is okay. Yesterday things didn't go as planned. We were trying to short the market, but eventually it's pushed above 2660, and which was apparently unexpected. But as there is a saying, whatever goes up comes down, and this retracement would have happened around 2630 area, but it didn't. Why? Because of the options expiry, and what was happening in the China, the entire stock market was, it was just a mess. It was an entire, deep mess. Anyways, yesterday, when the market New York was about to close, we saw a slight retracement. Most probably, I took all the buyers. They mostly took, because the FOMO buying was happening. It was like peak FOMO buying. Apparently, last month I heard a lot of people said to me, "Oh, September the gold is gonna drop. Look, in the past, in every September after the rate cut, it was dropping." Yeah, I said, "Yeah, it's gonna drop." I said, okay, let's do this shit then. All the, what do you say, my trading setup was screaming a sell, even the diverging, bearish divergence, but everything was cancelled, being cancelled out. Why? Because of the, FOMO buying. And apparently, it looked like that we got, caught up in a sell side, sell side liquidity. We were trying to short the market and the market was pumping. Apparently, we were a little bit early and selling, and I realized my mistake. I could have corrected it, but I was like, as I say, that when I sell, I sell only, and I buy only. I kept on trying, and I kept on taking profits, partial profits. This was like, I was in a state of break even and in a loss. So eventually I managed it, but a lot of other people, they couldn't. They had art difficulty in premium group 1 and 2. So then I decided that I'm gonna give a entry now that is apparently gonna be a one way, like a big rally. Now apparently what I was waiting for is finally has happened today in the Tokyo session. We have not just one, but we have more than 4 1 hourly bearish candles with a confirmation, this time with the bearish, what is a divergence and all the other things, excluding my trading setup. So now we can say that it's finally dropping now. And as you can see, Tokyo low was around somewhere around 2656, and it just broke past that level, and just right now it's just melting. And I'm waiting. I'm gonna wait. I am in an entry, you can see above. I didn't give this entry to anybody because I was like, okay, if I give this entry, what if it is stop loss again? Yesterday 2 signals were given. Yesterday was the first, I think the first day that we had difficulty on, because I've been streaming back to back. Like, this is the 5th week. We never encountered such a situation before, but I said to myself, one day this gonna happen, and I have to prepare for it mentally, and I did. I wasn't in a state, I was still in profit, but other guys who who couldn't manage their trades, who suffered loss, and even people were texting me, why you failed me a lot of times trying to sell. I said this, I'm not failed, I'm taking partial profits. In a market like this, buyers also make profit, sellers also make profit. Just like you don't leave your trade running, and if you do, you most probably should take TP, partial profits, and break even. The thing with me was that I opened several trades. I only recommended guys to open one trade, but there were some people who didn't follow the plan, who opened huge lot sizes, and I was sad, feeling bad for them, and angry too at the same time. And today I have to work on that. Individually, I have told everybody to be present at a specific time, and I'll be free. I'll get back to them. Right now, our focus is to grab an entry, and a pullback is gonna come because London session is sideways. When a pullback comes, I will give an entry, and hopefully we will carry that entry into this week. Today there is no such data, so market is not gonna move. Dollar, if you just come out of gold, you can clearly see the dollar index is pumping, Euro USD is pumping. Evil hell, yesterday I gave a signal on GBP USD. It didn't go as planned, but apparently it is now dropping. So everything we were early, but we're gonna correct our wrongs and eventually we're gonna, come out profitable today. I just hope that we have an entry, we have a pullback because it is dropping like fuck. I'm waiting for a goal to make a possible, pullback around 25, 55, 50 area, and then I'm gonna give a sell entry. So if you guys have any question, you can ask me. It is like this. It is what it is after all. We have our risk. We have our entry system. And as I said again, I'm gonna, sell again today. I'm not gonna buy all these. These that sold this yesterday was, this happened in Tokyo, two New York and one London. They both. But before that, when I was, trading, this was my own trade. Before that, this was premium. It was a mess. This is why I feel more comfortable in buying, because buying is permanent, but selling is temporary. But yet again, we are trying to catch that sell because this sell is going to be fast. Right now, we are on the FIBO zero line, and this is the area where it's going to start, doing a retracement. Most likely, you're going to see, because London Open is going to hit here or here. You're going to see gold come back around 58, 51. I already took partial profit. Two partial profits I've already taken at 26.56 and 26.51. This trade hasn't been shared. This signal hasn't been shared with anybody. This is just mine because I wanted to make sure I covered my losses, and eventually when the retracement is gonna happen, I'm gonna give the signal. One daily signal on free Telegram group and on live stream, and then I'm gonna move on to other things. Most likely things are gonna work out today. Hopefully. In the meantime, I do this. I'll be right back. I need to go grab coffee, so I'll be right back. So you guys watch this nice animation I just created. In the meanwhile, I'll be right back. Yeah, so I'm back. So I just said right now that I'm gonna wait for a retracement, and the retracement is happening. We're gonna wait till gold because London session is sideways and we have London low now. We're gonna wait for like an hour or 2 hours for London session to make London high, and then we're gonna enter in a short. My trades are running. I took 2p TP and other trades I'm running on break even. So if it hits, I'm not gonna have any loss. Currently I only have these sell running because I closed all of them. The previous one I either take profits or hit break even or hit stop loss. So yeah, and these trades are still running. The ones which I bought from 24.90 and 24.90, 75 and 24.90, which I will actually carry when the gold after making this correction, enter into the 2700 range. I will try to keep these trades running to give you guys a example of how to do a swing trade and a scalp, because mostly people they ask me a lot of questions that how can a person open a trade. We plan ahead. You just plan ahead. Like and subscribe, guys. Like and subscribe. Not that hard actually. The hardest thing to do is to figure out everything. The only thing that is like under your control is your mindset. If your mindset is not correct, then you are in a mess. Trading is all about mindset. You see, and it is acceptable. I was here since this week one when nobody was watching me. When I started making profit, people joined. But eventually, after yesterday, when two trades in New York and one trade in London session, it didn't go as planned. People started having doubts. This is the psychology. Guy who is consistently providing signals, profitable signals for the 4 weeks, then all of a sudden 1 day, 2 day, if the trade don't go as planned, he's considered like okay. You have doubts on him? No. Even whatever happens, you manage your trade. That's the thing. Your mindset is got what's gonna keep you, because at the end of the day you have to survive. And I say again, I don't care if one person watching or nobody is watching. Look at this 1 hour. Look at this 1 hour. If you don't trust me, trust this 1 hour. It is good. You're gonna say it's gonna move down. Till 26.35. This is the area is gonna. There is no news and expect gold to move around this area. And you guys and most probably who are trading right now, I have this open, but you guys will probably open the sell entry around somewhere around this area. Gold is eventually gonna hit this area where it's gonna then start dropping again. So our entry will be somewhere around here. If let's just say gold even moves above this area around here, then we can have a nice sell entry. But is it gonna move down? 1 hour actually expecting such kind of a pullback is also because the pullback is gonna happen and then it's gonna drop. It's gonna happen so fast because the 1 hourly is gonna still close bearish. So we have to be really fast and resilient. I know people won't trust my but tell. But when I will give this signal, when everything is gonna turn out as planned, then as usual. But right now we'll just focus on these things. Hold on a sec. If you have any questions, you can ask me. In the meanwhile, I'll just go do some analysis. So yeah, this is what's happening, man. I'm in a cell. I'm finally caught their cell. I hope this cell is the cell that I was looking for, that I worked so hard for, that probably made me angry and pissed me off and annoyed the shit out of me. But I knew that once I catch that cell, all everything will be worth it then, because it's gonna be $124 correction. That huge ass move is gonna make all my wrongs right. Actually, I wasn't wrong. It was just early. You never know when it's gonna drop, and you never know how till where it's gonna pump, because we have a psychology, key psychology, support area, but we don't have a resistance. And the market right now made a top, and after it made a top, it's gonna go test down the resistance area. And you think this is not gonna happen, just keep on gonna pump up. You're just like a degenerate gambler. Even a person, a logical person like me, who is holding buys from 24, 75, and 90, I could have taken profit, but no. I know the retracement is imminent. It's necessary. Otherwise, how the hell they gonna hike? Sorry, rate cut next month. The only reason we didn't saw a huge dump in, what do you say, in September, was because of the so-called FOMO buying. And right now Diwali is coming in India. So before that the gold will give a discount. Discounts gold is coming. So expect a 124 or $25 correction move, a dump down, and it's gonna happen really fast. All that $125 correction is gonna happen in 7-8 hours. And then we're gonna get in a buy position again. But we until then we're gonna ride the sell. I caught the sell early in the morning in the Tokyo session, and I didn't give that signal because I wasn't sure. I calculated everything. I was prepared. You have to risk for the biscuit. No risk, no punani. There's a YouTuber who says this a lot. Even if you see Euro USD, GPP USD, everything is screaming. You know what? Let's do this shit. I haven't even given one damn signal on Euro USD, but let's just do this shit. Because this is the zero line, right? Let's do this. 1 hour is this is a let's try to catch this. Hmm, I have to make a separate. Let's entry. Let's. You know what? Hold on a second. Our entry area will be around somewhere around here. I know this nasty bugger is gonna go up here. This is view. I'm gonna wait for gold. Euro USD, sorry. This move happened in a day, so we also gonna get this in a day then. Yeah, I would most likely enter right now. And yeah, this should be the entry system. This is the first signal that I'm giving. I have never given a Forex signal, but I'm giving an Euro USD signal live stream because you guys panic a lot. And I'm not gonna give this signal again. This is the only time I'm gonna do this. I'm doing this because of you guys because yesterday two trades and there's only gonna be one TP. And that's gonna be down till 1 point. I want you guys to see. This is what's gonna happen. So we have it over here. Oh sorry, I need to remove this. This signal is live. I already gave one signal for premium group, so I don't want to give another one because their signal is running really good. But you know what? I'm gonna post it anyways. Okay, so here is it. Back to gold, baby, gold. So we have two now. I give this trade on London, so just you guys who are, have panicking, oh my god, this sell is not gonna work on, take this. Take this sell over here. It's already given. First time I'm giving a Forex. Just take this. Only but open just one trade. Don't be a greedy asshole, okay? And open a huge ass lot size and then cry in the message. Oh my god, I did not manage money. Come on, man. Be realistic. Back to gold. just like this. Even this sell is a really tight stop loss. Somebody texted me that please increase the stop loss. I said okay, let's do this. To be precise, it should be somewhere around, yeah. Oh, this is too much. Very, what do you say about very? Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit. Nah, nah, this is fine. No, what the fuck am I doing? Wait a second. Stop messing over here. 150 is alright. Yeah. Only just one thread, only one thread. One thread only. So the risk to reward is 1 is to, this is risk to reward is really bigger over here. 1 is to 4, 1 is to 4, it's 1 is to 4, right? Yes, 1 is to 4. So we have a risk to reward which is, what do you say? So now it's finally everything is falling down. Yesterday and the day before that I was early. Everything is falling down. I hope I can catch this trade for you guys. I don't know. I think we are too early. I early for the entry. I hope. I hope that I can give you guys the entry on gold. I mean, even you can enter over here right now, but I won't risk it because I know this London, and you know how London is, how London works. One thing, you know, gold disappoints you a lot. Like and subscribe, guys. The second batch of Pro Wolf Trader is starting. Beginner course from 1st October. Enroll in it, guys. Save your money. Hey, what's up, Zoravar Singh? I don't know why the chat is not showing. I just opened from my phone. Morning, brother. Hi, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you are going good too. Looking forward to 30 likes today, and please like and subscribe. Dollar index is pumping. In short, dollar is pumping, baby. Why the hell you wanna buy gold now? and Euro USD, GBP USD, everything is gonna be red. It's gonna be red day. This is what I prepared for. You know what? I can give an entry over right now, but I'm gonna wait because this is London session. Hold on a second, I'll be right back. It's too fucking hot today over here, and I hate hot weather, man. Everything is going fine. Our Euro USD trade is also running good. Hey, what's up, Azadjad? I'm fine, brother. How are you? I hope you're fine. Finally, it's dropping not just gold, but Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY. Every damn thing is dropping down now. I'm happy today. You know, whatever loss, I wasn't in any loss, but whatever happened yesterday, I'm gonna recover all of them. All of them. Gonna be huge. It's gonna be huge profits today, man. I'm gonna open trades and I'm gonna carry those trades into till Friday. Tomorrow is unemployment, and the day after that is PC, core PC inflation gauge. We're gonna move from data to data, and guess what? We're gonna make tons of money. Damn, I missed the buy. Ah, it's okay. I missed it. Damn, I wanted to buy. Ponk, I'm gonna buy spot 2. I'm waiting for Ponk to drop down till this level 2. I'm gonna buy more than Bitcoin. Mm, I don't know. Our oil trade on premium group is running fine. If you guys are not in the premium group, you're missing it out. I'm happy my trades are running. This is a swing trade. We're gonna take this up till 80 because winter is coming, and you know, in winter in mostly in Europe and all those regions where you know the minus fucking 50, 60. So fucking cold that even you step out of the home, you, you know you can die that much. Even your balls freeze. I mean, I'm not joking. That much scary. So in those countries, most probably in Siberia, mostly in Russian region, Europe, the consumption goes up since Russia is producing itself. But you know, Europe, mostly European countries, they are dependent. So the consumption will go up. In short, demand will go up, and the supply is already restrained because of the ongoing war. Given that today we also are going to receive oil inventories data. So yeah, everything is fine. Look, everything is gonna be okay. Israel shoots down a missile aimed at Tel Aviv, the first time Hezbollah has fired at the city. know what? Israel is a messed up place. I'm not a guy who's interested in politics or religion. Um, you know, but given the situation that is happening, I must say that regardless, people lie on both sides. And in this case, Israel is being an ass. I don't care if my channel gets striked or revoked. I'm gonna talk about the truth. And the truth is that all the victims in World War II, they just wasted all of that. Nobody's gonna trust Israel again. In fact, nobody did in the first place. That Israel is just digging a grave. It's like you're digging your own grave. But the thing is, you don't know how deep it's gonna be. Unfortunately, it is what it is. Israel is digging its own grave, and the more Israel destabilizes the region, the more the deeper the grave is gonna be for Israel. The war, the war. Even before I was born, the war was always there. Vietnam War, or or Operation Desert Storm during the Bush era in '91. Operation Desert Storm 2. Then we have 9/11. Before that, there was always some ongoing conflict in Latin America and Europe, and this mess. War is part of our modern day society. War is what basically pushes nations into developing new technologies and finding new ways to kill each other, in short, to spend more money on R&D, sorry, research and development. This is why today we have smartphones, satellites, and everything. It's just because of war. War is what enabled human evolution. Unfortunately, that's how it is. If humanity would have put all the efforts to, make our lives easy, then we would be, sitting elsewhere on Mars. But you know what? Human beings have better plans. They have plans to kill each other, Stupid. Let's come back. Let's come back. Here we are. Tweet. If you want crypto signal, I might gonna make a separate, what do you say, page for that, because I cannot manage all of this. It's not like I just said I cannot manage it alone. I'm already getting headache, so much work. It's hard to manage all of this. You don't know how hard it is. Holy shit, 0 viewers. What's happening? Nobody's watching. I don't know. It shows me nobody's watching the stream, 0 viewers and no messages. YouTube is scary. As soon as I start talking about Israel and YouTube is acting weird. The Matrix is trying to get me, bro. Soon I'm gonna receive an email. You have received a strike. Reason? No reason. Your channel has been terminated. Zero fucking viewers. This is what happens when you talk against Matrix. The Matrix gets you. The Matrix comes and he says, I'm watching you, bro. And you're like, oh, who you are? You're nobody. You're nobody. The thing is, they are scared of the nobody. Because their nobody is somebody. Another, you think power, money, status is what makes you important? People forget that God gives wealth, not human beings. God can give you anything. You just have to desire it. It's not that I'm gonna sit on a chair and I say, God give me money, God give me money. You go to mosque, church, or whatever, and you say, God please help me, give money, please help me, give me money, and the money is gonna, suddenly appear from the sky. No, that's not gonna happen. You're not a prophet. You're a human being. God is gonna provide you through ways. He's gonna introduce some people in your life. He's gonna show you a path. You have to follow it. Yeah, bro, but to me it shows zero. Welcome to the stream, Imesh. God is gonna, send people in your life. You have to identify them. You have to identify, because when God will send you people, the devil is gonna be standing there and watching you, and the devil is also gonna, come try to deceive you, because devil is gonna roam on the earth till the day of judgment to deceive you. So you have to see, is this the guy the God has sent towards me to help me, or is this the devil in disguise? Because the person who's gonna help you is gonna, put you on the right track, and the devil is gonna deceive you, demotivate you. It's just when he will start his opening his tongue, you're gonna understand that this is the devil, because devil is always creating problem, mischief, doubts, because he's roaming the earth, and the biggest enemy of a trader is the devil. Why? Because wherever there is money, equity, the greed, human greed comes. All these rich multi-millionaire, billionaire people, why do you think, oh, they're so rich, why don't they solve the human, why they don't just remove the poverty on this earth? Why don't they eliminate hunger? They can do it. I mean, they have so much wealth laying around. Why they can't just open up a fund, buy huge lands, and grow agriculture crops, provide free energy? Why don't you ask these questions? Then you'll understand why. Because those people are under the spell of the devil. They won't do any good to the humanity, because what, they feel, they don't see human beings as human beings. They see human beings as inferior human beings. This is why we have so much discrimination in the society. No matter what your country is, no matter what your religion is, we have this problem. We are all living the same lives, aren't we? Back back in like 60, 70 years ago, life was okay. If you had a job, you had a wife, you had kids, you would enjoy life. You would, enjoy the beauty of life, travel around the world. World was beautiful back 60, 70 years ago. Much more peaceful. There was less hate in the world. I mean, hate was always there, discrimination, racism was always, but it was less, not like this. Now, Earth is just overpopulated. The introduction of technology has, removed communication back gap, but have, in short, increased other problems. Anyways, coming back to our trade, I went on to, so far away. I was just, killing time. Gold is finally back up to the point where we can actually short, but we have to be more patient. Most likely, I think we should wait for Tokyo close. Because after Tokyo close, the retracement is gonna continue. And where is our, what do you say, this regular USD short is going fine. So yeah, looking forward to shorting gold. Let me answer some questions to group 1 and 2. Hey, what's up, young Cholo 69? I see what you did there. Life is hard. Why make it harder? Trade with Provost Trader, baby, because we make money together. Back to back profits, baby. This is the 5th week. Let's continue our profit streak. We're gonna make on money, keep on making money, keep on printing money. What's up, bro? I'm fine. What about you? It's just gonna be a waiting day. My cell is in order. I hope this is what I was waiting for, because it's gonna work out. Everything's gonna work out as planned. Gold is overbought. Look at this. Hold on, give me a minute. Look at this. This is the most insane pump I have ever saw. I mean, this hasn't happened before. We were at 25.10, and from 25.10 till here, I mean, we had a minor retracement over here, but I don't call this a retracement. From 25.12 till 26.70, that's a holy fucking shit. Almost this is almost what do you say, $158. So we gonna get a $158 correction. Almost consider $160 correction. And given that all this happened, this happened in 12 days, mean 2 weeks. So expect gold. Yeah, we can expect gold to to return back because the pump is slow and but the dump is really fast. Given we can just like in 4 or 5 days, gold is gonna be there. Like one whole week. It's either gonna start from Wednesday till next Wednesday or next Thursday or Friday. Gold is gonna be sitting somewhere around there. Given that we had unemployment tomorrow, which of course is gonna make a huge move, and even if the unemployment is bullish, is gonna be bearish. It's gonna dump because today we have no news, and when there is no news, people say, "Oh, the war news is coming. The gold is gonna pump." Good luck, baby. Good luck. I'm not gonna buy. I'm still gonna sell. But all the people in the premium group 1 and 2, please open just one trades. And those to whom I have said don't open any trades, just follow that guideline and you will be profitable. I'm just waiting for Tokyo session to close so we can short. Oh, why don't you buy and then sell? No, don't do that. What if it drops suddenly? Then what you gonna do? Okay, so we are finally getting there. Finally, we are getting close to our entry. Finally, it's happening. Let's see what's happening on Euro USD. Euro USD is about to come down. It's just making an annoying move. Where is our sui? Sui. I don't know about you. I don't know. But yeah, we are getting there eventually. Slowly but steadily, we are getting there. Mm, I think we should enter a gold sell right now. I think this is the area of our entry. I think this is. Yeah, I think I should give the entry right now. Let's. Holy shit is dropping. I should have actually. 57. Shit. 58, 56, 58. Then I have to put the stop loss really. Fuck it. 58, 66. Let's wait and see. Then the TP1 will be around 2467. And then I don't know. Let's wait and see. 58.96. I'm still gonna wait for this area. You know what? I'm gonna basically now. I think I don't wanna do a FOMO, but let's just be more realistic. Although the stop loss is, a little bit wide, but apparently I would consider this as a cost, because I know it is a large stop loss, but given that what we are getting now is, if we let's just say if it retraces back to this area, I'm gonna open more. But just for the visual representation, I did take a re-entry, sell re-entry around this area. Already have it running from here. This is the zone which I took my TP1. My TP2 was here. So I just took an entry on the TP1 area. These are the TP. So this is a, and yeah, guys in the premium group 1 and 2, please open just one trade, okay? You know what? I'm not gonna post this trade on the premium group because I already give. If I give too many trades, the thing I fear is you guys cannot manage a lot of trades. I can, but I know I can. I've been doing that, but I don't know about you guys. So this is why I've been more cautious. Why is the chat is not showing up? London will it is, but you know it can. London is high volatility, high volume. Maybe it just drops down so fast because it can. There is a possibility. You know, because if those traders in London they decide to short, they're gonna short it. Because if they're not gonna short it, the Yankees gonna come and short it. Because this is how it is. The thing is that they gonna come and see, oh, what happened in Tokyo session. The Tokyo guys they shorted it. So what happened? So what you gonna think the traders in London session gonna do? They're gonna short too. Given then when the Yankees gonna wake up, they're gonna see, okay, what happened in the Asian market and the London market. Holy shit, those guys are selling, and they won't even think. They will keep on pressing the sell button, and you know, all the FOMO buying, all the retailers who are already in a buy, they will be forced to close their buy entries and buy orders. And then what? Gold suddenly is, you know, standing at 2600. And then the retailer is gonna say, okay, now is the time to buy back again. And guess what? It's unemployment day, baby. Unemployment claims, and boom, the unemployment claim is here. And from 2600, we're fucking dropping down to 2550. Then 2530. Then 2512, 10. There is a realistic possibility. This is the scenario number one. The scenario two is nothing changes. There is a saying, nothing changes when nothing changes. So, you know, everything is as sideways. Everything doesn't move, which is most likely an unrealistic. And the third is just gold is keep on pumping. That is the most illogical thing that's gonna happen. I mean, given that gold already made up a move up till 2660, $158 move from 2512, and $158 correction is coming. Yesterday I said $124 correction, but given the pump happened, even I put $158 huge ass number on my whiteboard because I know a drop is imminent. You cannot change. You have to be realistic. And I say you have to learn to walk away from the, if you have a loss, you have to learn to walk away with a loss. And if you have a profit, you have to learn to take a, you know, walk away with a profit. Give what the market takes. Have a plan, follow the plan. My plan has been to sell. I'm not gonna change that. If I change that, if let's just imagine that I've been trying to grab onto this sell, and if I would have bought today, the market just fucked my mind then. This is what the market wants, doesn't it? I was early. I admit that my analysis was right, but I was early. Now everything is working as I planned. I was bullish for gold, I'm still bullish, but a retracement like this cannot be ignored. And I consider those small stop losses. It's not like I also took partial profits, but all those stop losses which I hit, I consider those as expenses. You have to, you know, feed that into your mind. And whatever, if you guys have any loss, you have to tell yourself first of all that whatever is gone, you're not gonna, recover, but you're gonna say to yourself, I'm gonna make so much profit that eventually my equity is gonna be back at break even. You have to do this. Oh, it's the same thing. It's not the same thing. They're different words, but they mean the same, but they're two different words. Our mind is the most dangerous thing. If you cannot control your mind, you cannot control your life or faith. Unfortunately, this is the hardest lesson that you have to learn in your life. Nobody is gonna stay in your life forever, and majority part of your life you will be alone. So you have to learn to live with that. If you don't come out of your comfort zone, the life will make you a bitch. Can you tell that huge pump of? There's a reason I recommended you that book. Oh my god. Everything which is happening right now, nothing is new, everything is repetitive. Everything which is happening now has happened in the past. It's past repetitive behavior, past repetitive data. I can go on and on, and I've seen this happen so much. And when I see it's happening, I don't even need to put the line in the charts. I just know it is happening. That's happening. That shit is happening. When I just see myself. It's just been 7 years for me trading. When I see 20, 30 years, when I used to see those traders with 20 years, 30 years experience, they don't even used to put any chart indicators, anything, just line chart. And I used to say, how the hell a person can achieve such kind of a like a level that he don't even need to put anything, just visualizing with on a higher time frame. And now I understand why, because they see everything happening in front of their eyes. And mostly people, mostly after yesterday pump, there are a lot of YouTube channels out there that are scheming, look up pump, a $500, 600, $700 pimp, sorry, say 600, 700, $800 pimp move, yeah, and they're celebrating their, and they're just blind, they cannot see. If it's a $500 pump, there's a fucking $158 correction coming, a huge ass dump. And guess what's gonna happen? When that dump's gonna happen, all those channels gonna they go dead. Silence, just a big ass fucking silence. Let's do a quick review of our Euro USD trade. It's running fine. I mean, I'm gonna let it run. This is the first straight time I'm giving this signal, and it's the first and the last time. Because I received a lot of hate messages yesterday. I mean, there are people who fucking hate me. Why? Because I'm helping you guys make money, profit. Yesterday, when I hit 2 SL in the New York session and one in, what do you say, London session, I received so many hate messages for those fucking retard bastards. Why? Because they're jealous. We are making profits for the last 4 months, for 4 weeks, sorry. And actually, this is the fourth month. After the end of this month, we're gonna be 4 months. Holy shit! Time passes by so quickly. Like and subscribe, guys. Come on, man. Give me 20 likes. Don't be stingy. Follow the channel. What the fuck? Not even 10 likes, man. What the hell is this? I'm here streaming and you guys can't even like. I'm gonna stream for half an hour more, then I'm gonna, go work.